Hi, friends, and welcome to week 15. So, we're really getting kind of down to the end of things, of course. We should be deep in research for essay number 4 right now. And this week is really all about doing research. So, last week you turned in this research check in. I'm going to ask for another one this week. And this is the opportunity where, if at the beginning of the week you feel like you're a long way behind, you're not sure where you should go, how to find credible information for what it is you're looking at, this is your opportunity to reach out to the librarian, out to Professor Moore. It's an opportunity to reach out to me. Make use of that schedule an appointment link. Set up an appointment with me. I'll be glad to work with you. Okay. So this week, you guys did a research check-in last week. We're going to do a second one this week. It's a slightly different template, but asks you similar questions, but a little bit different. Okay, and then all of our students, everyone in the class, is able to revise one of their earlier essays and resubmit it for a higher grade. It's completely optional. If you missed an essay for some reason, this is your real opportunity to boost your grade by 10 to 15 points, right? That's a full letter grade. So it could really be a make or break for folks. If you did kind of an essay and you did really well in the others, it's an opportunity, obviously, to come back and have another crack at that. You might also make the decision that you don't think it's going to be necessary for your final grade. You don't think it's going to be detrimental to not do it, so you don't have to do it. That's perfectly fine. If you want to do it, I want you to engage in this revision activity. We'll go ahead and take a look at, again, this assignment, also optional. So this revision activity is something I've done in my 101 and 102 classes for a long time. And it really involves you going down and breaking the essay up into chunks, rewriting your topic sentences for every paragraph, rewriting the paragraph, and then putting it all back together. So what I want you to do is actually just work your way through this list on whichever essay you want to revise. So you write a detailed, specific response to the criticism left in your essay. Okay, so just kind of number them and kind of start by responding to them. You can see this on another sheet of paper. I've done this in face-to-face classes, but I think it works well. It's a self-reflection activity. But basically, what you're doing here is responding to me. Okay, you're responding to the feedback you got, trying to work on revising it. Okay, so just go ahead and go through this whole list and then submit it to the folder. Again, optional activity. If you're planning on doing a revision, just submit it right here. Okay. As you work your way through that, if you've got any questions, of course, please don't hesitate to let me know. If you've got questions about research, just reach out and set up an appointment. Thanks. Have a good week.